Okay, so we started off with a packed analysis, and we got a broad range of fire truck users from the people section. And from there, we came up with three personas, which were a old experienced person, a young inexperienced person, and a volunteer. These people had a range of vision impairments such as color blindness and physical ailments such as lack of strength. From here, we went to the user stories and concrete scenarios, which covered things such as what should happen in the event of a change of destination en route to an event, or what would happen if the fire truck was to crash, and what would be the implications of that. We also brainstormed various requirements, such as what type of touchscreen should we use for the screen, and what kind of physical buttons do we need on the side. Okay, so first we're going to go over to the services tab, and I want you to keep an eye on this log in the bottom right hand corner that's currently empty. So on our main driving tab we have automatic driving mode and manual driving mode. As you can see, only one can be selected at any given time. Furthermore, we have an emergency button and a cruise button. And emergency is to put the sirens and lights on, and cruise is just for normal driving operations. We have a speedometer and a fuel meter for statistics, and then we have a SAGRN paging field, which has channel buttons and volume buttons for the handsets and speakers. Moving on to navigation, you enter where you currently are in the world and where you want to go in the world, and then you hit the go button to get the routing directions on the map in the middle. Furthermore, there's an offline button in case data is not available. Down the very bottom we have the cameras, which include thermal, night vision, and normal operations. Moving on to the checklist, we have each item with a got or a missing button. So you select whether you've got it or whether you're missing it. And then you can submit this checklist, and it will pop up whether you are ready to go or whether you are not ready to go. Unfortunately, the screen capture has not captured this. Then we have statistics for the fire truck, which includes fuel, water levels, and tire pressure, so you can just check all that before you go. Moving on to the services tab. As you can see, we now have logs information from what we've actually done so far. And going back to the left, we have various services for the engine, the fire truck, and driving. And once all those have been done and checked off, you submit it. You also can set a date for the next service, so you input your day, month, and year. Or you can set it for various kilometers, so 5,000, 1,000, and then you press the submit button. And that will pop up in the calendar on the right as to when that service should be done. And that is our interface for our driverless fire truck.